Today's topic is what makes an underwater drone easy to use. I love this topic. Maybe that's the reason why I chose that to be the final topic of this year. There are quite a few underwater drone manufacturers out there, and my wild guess is that every single salesperson is using the word easy to use. So I want to challenge, first of all, my own sales team and our partner network to put some effort into explaining what does easy to use actually mean. What's behind it, what's behind the design, and what kind of practical examples can one give to define it even more, because if used very lightly, everyone says it's easy to use. It kind of loses its purpose, so to say. And that's my intention, not only for today, but for the upcoming year, is to challenge the market on what does it really mean to have easy to use hardware out there. So